Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anna and today I'm going to be sharing you some thrifty finds. I went thrift store shopping with my sister. It was just her birthday, so I spent a sister day with her and we hit the thrift store and I got two oh my god, paper bags worth of items. The first one is going to have its own video. I found a bag of Dollhouse miniatures. And if you guys know, I'm a Dollhouse miniaturist, 1/12 scale. I've been doing it since I was 16 years old. So this was a gem. Now, I don't know exactly what's in here. I don't know what I'm going to be able to use, what I won't be able to use. But I want to open it up with you. So let's go ahead and get into it. Then I'll do a second video showing you all the rest of the stuff that I found, including a lot of crafty bags. Like somebody had gone through their craft room and donated a lot of their crafty items. So I was really excited. I was like, what? I can't believe I'm finding this stuff. This is crazy. So make sure you come back for that. So let me pan you down and let's see what I have in this bag. Okay guys, I am back. I was trying to get the best angle for lighting. We are in the midst of a thunderstorm. You probably will hear the thunder, but I wanted to show you these things inside my bag so I could take them upstairs. So let me go ahead and show you. This is the best lighting I could get. So the first one is this cute little hutch, and I thought it was really pretty. Then it has little teddy bears down here at the bottom. It even still has the little knobs. I don't know. I'm trying to look. Yeah, I thought it had like a more individualized wood design in the back, but it doesn't. But on the back it says 1950, and I just thought it was really charming. Now this whole bag, everything that I'm sharing with you was $9.99. Okay, now this is the next piece. And you could tell somebody did this. Somebody actually made this by hand. They even put their initials, JP 1975, in the back. This might have been one of those kits that you can get. I have a few of them. I haven't even tried to put together yet, but this is going to look really cute in a room. Then what's in here? Then here's this. And let's see. This is handmade hardwood early American dollhouse grandfather clock. I don't know by who though. I'm trying to see. Okay. Well, it looks like this. It says made in Korea. So here's a clock. Very nice. And it was in this container. Very nice. Then let's see what else I have in this bag. Then we have some little chairs, like for a kid's room, and like a little chest, a little matching chest. That looks really sweet. And I do have a child's room in my bigger house. I do. And this was by Price Products in Taiwan. It still has a little sticker on the bottom. Very cute. Then the next piece here, it looks like it's missing a little drawer, but I have other things in other drawers I might be able to fit in there. And you could tell somebody made this because you could tell the variations in the stain. Same person, 1975 JP. But I'm going to see if I don't have a drawer that I can put in there because I have other pieces that have broken and I keep the pieces just for this type of occasion. Then the next thing that's in here, it's like a record player set. A vintage record player set. Look at that. And then they had glued it in there, and that kind of looks like where the speakers would be. Then it looks like somebody made this one as well. Huh. Kind of almost looks like a Stromberger piece. But there we go. You can see me and you can see my camera. There you go. And it has little drawers. It should look like that. Then, oh, I think I found the drawer, you guys. I think I found the drawer. Let's see. Are you the drawer? Yes, we found a drawer, guys. We found the drawer. Lovely. Then here's another. You could tell this is a vintage piece. And this is all wood. And it has like this little flocking on it. Then here's a little tiny chair. This would be perfect again for a child's room. It's like this little type of little tiny chair for like a child, for a kid's room, which is really cute. Then we have another vintage piece, and it has the flocking on it. This would be nice for me to try to upgrade and redo it with fabric. I've never done it. I would be willing to try since I got this from the thrift store. You know, anything would be an upgrade from that. But I love the fact that it's solid wood. Then here's a little coat hanger rack. Very cute. It's made in Korea. Then we have part of a kitchen. So here's the little stove. It's like, I don't want to open up stuff because you never know if it's going to work or not yet. And she does open. That's part of the stove. Then we have a larger, more robust piece. This is more of like a play scale for a small child to play with. I'm going to see if I could take these knobs off and do something with it, just to give it more of an up-to-date look, because it looks very bulky, very like, you know, hard and bulky. Again, this might be cute for a child's room actually, if I kept the little cute red knobs and then played around with the design with red and then put some toys in there. That might look cute actually, so I don't really have to redo that one. Then we have this one, and I just saw lightning right there. I just need to get a new one of that. And it has all the great little, you could put plates and little things to display. Then here's another little piece that you could tell that they made by hand along with this one. So side by side for next to a bed. And there's a, I don't know what that is, but that's so cute. Love it. Then, what's this? Oh, like a little refrigerator. This will kind of look cute in a retro style type kitchen. This little baby would look cute in a retro one. I don't have any retro rooms. Then here's a little smaller side table. Very nice. A little baby bassinet. Oh, baby's first Christmas. So it looks like this was maybe a ornament, and then whoever found it took it down to do it in a dollhouse. So we'll just put it that way. There we go. Well, here's part of this, another set to that little cute little children's room set that I can use. It looks like a little mattress. Then here's looks like another little nightstand, very small one. Then here's a man, and he does have flexible legs. Then we have a little toy that says, what's that say on top? It says Teddy Bear Story. Teddy Bear Story. Can you guys see that? It says Teddy Bear Story. And this does move back and forth. That's really cute. Then again, this is a more hardier piece for a kitchen. More like play scale for a child. But I might, because he's like a little bit out of scale. But you never know what you're going to end up doing with it. Look at this. Oh wow, I dropped something. What did I drop? I don't even know what it is. Look at that picture. And it looks like that. Very nice. Then here's a nice bench. This will look great in a Tudor style like dining room. This bench is very sturdy and hardy. Oh, look how cute that chair is. Look at the little details on the bottom. How quaint is that? That is very nice. Then, ooh, here's another little chair for that little set. Here's another little small clock. Then here is a little table for that little tiny set. And we are almost done, you guys. Then here's a bed. So you can, I just need to add some feet to it 'cause two of the little feet are missing. Actually, there's two beds, look. Oh, it looks like it, look, this is, okay, so that mattress actually goes in here. And they had a little blanket that they created. How sweet is this blanket? Oh, there's the other one. Okay, let me show you the details in this. I hope you can see it. Look at that. So that's the sweet little blanket that they had on there like this. Look at that. That is so cute. Okay, so this needs feet. Then here's the mattress for this one. And this one also needs feet. And here's a little blanket. Oh, this is so cute. That was just so adorable. And then we have a little rocking chair that's painted with something on it. I'm not too sure. Then, oh, we have some miscellaneous pieces in here. Here's a little drawer to something. Okay, another little teeny tiny chair. A little doll, and the last piece would be this really nice dresser. This is very unusual because I'm looking at the design. Look at this. Look at the design. So it comes out like that. So technically speaking, you could use it like that and slide in a TV if you wanted to, or you can keep it like that for a bedroom. I've never seen that kind of design before, so you know this is absolutely vintage and it's so hardy. The wood is so heavy. This was definitely a treasure. This was definitely a treasure. Yay! I love everything that was in here. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun sharing with you, and come back and look at all the other amazing finds that I got from the thrift store. Bye.